there is a deep confidence that I saw in Amit Shah. One, I began also by saying that there was more than 100% turnout at all of his rallies that I saw in Telangana, in Andhra Pradesh, together with Chandrababu Naidu in one place, in Adilabad, and also a great crowd when he landed in Durgapur, West Bengal. Somewhere, Mr. Sabharwal, nobody wants a Khichdi Sarkar. I saw that wherever he spoke, he said, किसको प्रधानमंत्री बनाना चाहते हैं आप? शरद पवार को लोग कहते नहीं, राहुल गांधी को तो लोग हंसना शुरू कर देते हैं, और फिर कहते हैं नरेंद्र मोदी, और फिर वो चांट आती है ऑडियंस में मोदी मोदी मोदी. ना आप कह सकते हैं कि बीजेपी की रैली है वहां पे मोदी मोदी तो होगी, मगर somewhere there is a quiet confidence that the country does not want a Khichdi Sarkar. Mr. Sabharwal.
This election is between people of India versus BJP Jhoot. They are worse than Britishers. They have divided the whole country only into two religions, Muslims and Hindus. Very sad. When we got the independence, I was not taken a birth at that time. And my parents, they told me what exactly is happening. It's shame on the part of the Home Minister and the Prime Minister. They have created so much hatred, which never happened during last 75 years. Now let's come what they have done during last 5 years, and they are taking a takeoff 25 years. अभी तो वेबसाइट पे डाटा चेंज हो गया 6% आफ्टर 191 सीट्स, और कल सुबह इलेक्शन है. So what they have done with the youth of India? The unemployment rate went to 40% from 8%. What they have done with the farmers of this country, जिसको जय जवान जय किसान बोलते थे हम लोग, the whole country ने देखा है उनके बिल्स को किस तरह से ब्रूटली उनको मारा गया, और ब्रूटली उन लोगों ने मरे, वो लोग कितने किसान सुसाइड करके चले गए. We know what they have done with our sports women, Manipur women. चाइना कितना अंदर घुस गया, कितना जीडीपी गिर गया, कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड्स
आप इधर उधर की बातें कर रहे हैं. सबरवाल जी आप इधर उधर की बात कर रहे हैं.
हम सच्चाई बोलते हैं.
मेरी बात सुनिए, मैं बहुत सीधी बात करने वाला आदमी हूं. अभी सुधांशु त्रिवेदी रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे डिबेट पे.
हम सच बोलते हैं.
आप मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. आप बात सुन लीजिए रमेश सबरवाल जी. बाय द वे व्यूअर्स, मैं आपको रिमाइंड करना चाहता हूं, यू कैन स्कैन टू वोट. You see a QR code on your screen. Take your phone or your digital instrument close to the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, take your digital instrument close to the screen, scan it, and you can directly vote on my program. If you feel this number of 86%, 14% is not reflecting, if you feel Amit Shah's master plan will not work or work, go to the QR code and vote. Let's make it interactive completely. Now, Sudhanshu Trivedi, what is my view? I want to just say one thing. This election, in my view, is already a very polarized election. And in my view, this election has a very strong possibility of a Hindu vote consolidation. Not that Hindus are against anyone, but Hindus are fed up of minority appeasement. Hindus have been made to feel like second-class citizens, including in the manifesto of the Congress party. Muslim quota redistribution on religious lines, effective Muslim first strategy. Why should we have a Muslim or minority first strategy? Is the question tonight.